So that's my new budgie princess, the white one, and the one in the back, the blue and yellow, that's Cosmo. As you can see, Princess is just going around trying to get out of the cage, and I'm just showing random clips. These clips are not in order. Um, this is one of the clip when she was just getting wild, trying to get out the cage because I think that was actually on. Yeah, this was actually on day 6. I did eventually let her out, and it took hours to get them back in. I was exhausted because from day 1 to 5, we let them out for 8 hours, and on day 5, I decided I wasn't going to let them out on day 6 because on day 5 it took hours to get them back in the cage, and I still went and go against my word and let them out on day 6, and it was a disaster. They got very unruly, and for the most part, when they first came, they were very good budgies. Um, After day 2, we were giving them millet, you know, in our hands, and they would eat it out of our hands very calmly. When it was time for them to go back into their cage, um, we were able to get them to purge on the broom and put them back into their cage. And I don't know, it looks like they got so used to being out. On day 6, they decided that they were not going back in the cage. It took hours of trying to fight with them. So, we made a decision to clip their wings. As you can see, that's Princess on day 2. Very nice and calm. So, like I said, they did a whole 360. I don't know what happened, but on day 13, we clipped their wings, and they got very calm instantly. Of course, they did put up a fight while we were trying to clip their wings, and we clipped it. They were instantly calm, like instantly. That same day, in the evening, their flight cage came, and it was a whole different behavior. With them, it just was very calm, very calm. They're very smart, and I love them very much. I go hard for my budgies every single day. I get a package from Amazon with the toys, different accessories for their cage. You know, I'm going all out for my budgies. Once they gain their flight back, we're not going to clip their wings anymore. This was just to tame them a little bit because they got way out of control, and they felt like the entire house was theirs, and they would not go back into the cage. They would stay on top of the wall decor and starve themselves just because they refused to go back into the cage. But for the most part, they're good now. I'm loving them, and don't continue to watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and continue to watch us on this journey for tips and ideas, and you guys will see the new flight cage next. Peace.